Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to use Wegmans gift card online. If you want to use the Wegmans gift card online, then the process is quite easy, so let's dive in straight into the video. Launch open a web browser to get started. Go to the URL box and type in wegmans.com. Press enter on your keyboard in order to visit the official website. Make sure to log into your wegmans.com account, and after you are, go ahead and pick a product you'd like to order online. Navigate to the section where you want to make a purchase and then click on the plus button right above the product to add it on your shopping bag. Once you add a product or two on your shopping bag, go to the top right hand corner of the screen and click on your shopping cart icon. Now, you'll be able to spot the items on your shopping cart. Go ahead and select the quantity of the product you'd like to purchase or make any other changes from this page. After you are ready to check out, click on the Go to Checkout button. You'll then be prompted to enter your shipping address. Choose your purchase method, whether you'd like to get it delivered to you or simply pick it up from the store. And after filling in all of the information, click on the Continue button. Now, under Payment option, you'll need to either add a debit card or a credit card, add EBT Snap card to complete the purchase. You can also redeem the product with a gift card. Simply click on this Add Wegmans gift card button and enter your gift card number and then your PIN code in the pop-up. Enter the gift card number that is available in your gift card itself, and once you do that, you'll now need to enter your PIN code. After entering the 4 digits PIN code, click on the Apply button in order to redeem your gift card. But make sure that your gift card information is correct. Since I've put a random gift card number over here, it is not showing me the Apply option. If you have the valid gift card, you will be able to apply the gift card to your purchase. Follow the prompts till the end and you will be able to use your Wegmans gift card to make this certain purchase on wegmans.com. So that's how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.